Finding out a family member may have COVID-19 is scary. You are probably really worried about your sick relative and fear that everyone else in your household will get sick. Fortunately, it is possible to prevent the virus from spreading to other family members, even if you all live together. If you have any questions or concerns, talk to your doctor as soon as possible. First step. Keep ill family members home, unless they are getting medical care. Try not to worry about your sick family member, because most cases of COVID-19 are mild. If your family member has COVID-19, they need to stay home, unless they are seeing a doctor. Otherwise, they might risk infecting others. Make sure your family member stays at home except to see their doctor or go to the hospital. The entire household should stay in self-quarantine inside your home for 14 days if one of you gets sick. It is possible that other family members already have the virus and is not showing symptoms yet. Second step. Give the sick family member a separate room while they recover. The best way to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is to stay away from ill people, but this is very hard if one of your family members is sick. To help you stay separated, make one room in your home the sick room. Keep the door of this room closed to help limit the spread of the virus. Then, keep healthy family members in a different room, except for when you are providing care. Third step. Designate a separate bathroom for the sick person if possible. Since the COVID-19 coronavirus can live on surfaces, using shared spaces with an ill family member increases your risk of getting sick. If your home has multiple bathrooms, allow the sick family member to have their bathroom while recovering. Ask all healthy family members to use a different bathroom in the meantime. Fourth step. Stay 6 feet or 1.8 meters away from your family member when in the same room. You are probably doing your best to care for your family member, so there may be times when you have to be in the same room. Germs from coughs and sneezes can spread up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters, so it is crucial to distance yourself from a sick family member. Fifth step. Ask the sick person to wear a face mask while around others. A face mask can catch the droplets your sick family member releases when they breathe, cough, or sneeze. This reduces the risk of you and other healthy family members breathing in the droplets and getting sick. Sixth step. Do not share household items or utensils with your ill family member. You may be used to sharing items with your family member, but it is vital to stop until they get better. When your sick family member uses items like kitchen utensils, dishes, and towels, those items are contaminated with germs. Sharing these items increases your risk of getting sick. Avoid sharing any items with a family member who is sick to be safe. For instance, do not use the same face towel as your sick family member. Consequently, COVID-19 is very contagious, so living with someone who is sick puts you at risk. Be diligent about washing your hands, disinfecting surfaces, and maintaining your distance. Call the doctor immediately if any additional family members develop fever, cough, or shortness of breath. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it. See you.